Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to track my daughter's iPhone location. If you want to keep track of your daughter's iPhone location for safety purposes, Apple makes it easy for you. To get started, firstly open the setting. From here you need to select your Apple account of the daughter's iPhone, and from here you need to select this Find My. And over here then select Find My iPhone and make sure it is turned on. And also select Share My Location and ensure this option is enabled. And after that, you need to go to the search in the bottom and type down family sharing setup in the top, select that. Over here, you need to follow the on-screen instruction and proceed to it. And invite your daughter to your family group and have her accept the invitation. Once the family sharing is set up and location sharing is enabled, you need to again go to your Find My app on your iPhone. And again, you need to select this Find My after that. And over here, you need to select People tab. If your daughter is sharing her location with you, her name will appear in this list. That is it. That's how you can track your daughter's iPhone location using Apple's built-in Find My and family sharing features. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.